Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Ready to finally achieve that stunning Notion setup you see all over Pinterest and TikTok? In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to transform your Notion pages into a true aesthetic masterpiece, using custom widgets, eye-catching icons, and playful GIFs. By the end, you'll know how to inject personality and style into Notion, making it not just more organized, but genuinely yours. Let's jump right in. For our first step, we'll be adding widgets to Notion using a super handy external tool called Indify. Go ahead and open the Indify website. Now, this is the part I really love. Take a moment to browse through their widget gallery. Indify offers everything from clocks and calendars to habit trackers and more. Maybe you want a minimal weather widget to check your week at a glance, or perhaps a countdown for an important date. Scroll until something catches your eye. Once you settle on a widget, click to select it. Next, you'll see options to customize. This is where you get creative, play with colors, fonts, and layouts so that the widget matches your Notion vibe. Don't rush through customization. Small tweaks here really make a difference and help the widget blend seamlessly with your page's overall look. Once you're happy, scroll down on Indify and you'll spot a copy link button. Click it. Now head back to your Notion page, choose where you'd like the widget to live, and simply paste that link. Immediately after pasting, you'll want to select Embed when Notion prompts you. That's it. Your new widget will appear just like magic, and you can drag it around or resize it to fit perfectly. If it takes a moment to load, don't worry, that's totally normal. Just give Notion a second to fetch your creation. Next, let's add some movement and personality using GIFs. For this, Giphy is your go-to site. Go to Giphy and have fun exploring. Type in keywords that match your mood or the purpose of your Notion page. Suppose you're creating a study dashboard. Maybe a cute coffee GIF or an animated book stack would be perfect. When you find a GIF you love, give it a click so it opens in the detailed view. You'll see a copy link button near the GIF. Click that and it stores the GIF's address to your clipboard. Flip back to your Notion page, pick the section you want to jazz up, paste the link, and when Notion pops up the embed option, choose it. Instantly, your GIF appears, adding a dose of movement and personality. If it isn't exactly where you want, you can easily drag it around. Adding GIFs is a great way to break up long pages or add a little whimsy. It keeps things interesting and your workspace actually feels alive. Finally, let's level up the icons in Notion. We'll use Font Awesome, a fantastic resource for high-quality icons. Head to Font Awesome and browse their massive selection. Search for something that fits your page, like a graduation cap for a school planner or a heart for a journaling dashboard. When you find the icon, click it and choose the Download SVG option. The SVG format keeps things crisp and scalable, so your icon will look perfect no matter the device. Now zip back to Notion, click on the existing icon at the top of a page and select Upload an Image. Pick your freshly downloaded SVG file and Notion swaps in your custom icon right away. This simple swap is so satisfying and it gives your workspace a real personal touch. And that's it. You've got custom widgets, lively GIFs, and unique icons, all elevating your Notion to a whole new level of aesthetic. If you got stuck anywhere or have other customization hacks to share, drop a comment below. I always love hearing your ideas and helping out. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple, stylish tech guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.